In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate voice mode in Grok. Easy setup. By the end, you'll be comfortably using your voice to interact with Grok and getting responses without typing. First, open Grok. You can launch it in your web browser or open the Grok app on your device, then log into your account. A stable internet connection helps here, and it's a good idea to make sure your microphone is connected and recognized by your device so everything works smoothly. Next, start a new chat. Click New Chat, or simply open the chat box where you normally type your requests. Starting fresh makes it easy to see what's happening as you switch to voice, but you can also use an existing conversation if that's where you want to continue. Now, locate voice mode. Look just below the text input box for the microphone icon. On some screens it may sit to the right of the message field, and on others it's directly beneath it, but it will look like a small mic symbol. If your interface looks different, make sure the app or web page is up to date. Before we switch it on, a quick note. If you need the app or prefer using Grok in the browser, there's a download link and a direct website link at the very top of the description. Grab what you need there and come right back. Go ahead and activate voice mode by clicking the microphone icon. You should see a visual cue indicating it's listening, like a highlighted mic or a waveform. If your device prompts you to allow microphone access, confirm it so Grok can hear you. Once voice mode is active, you can speak your request instead of typing. Speak your request clearly into your microphone at a natural pace. Short, specific prompts work best, but you can be conversational too. Grok will transcribe your voice into text in the chat window in real time, so you can see exactly what it heard before it generates a response. When your voice input is fully transcribed, either press enter if the interface asks for it, or simply wait while Grok processes it automatically. Take a moment to review the generated response. If the transcription doesn't match what you intended, you can quickly correct the text in the input field and resubmit, or tap the microphone again and restate your request a bit more clearly. That's how you activate and use voice mode in Grok easily. Thanks for watching.